Hi, in front of me is Blackview A80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply colorful edges on this device. Firstly, open Play Store. Then type edges and download this app from this developer. Now open it and tap on one of these themes. Name it, click OK Creative, and close an app. Over here you can customize your edges however you want to. For example, you can change run style, add pattern, change animation speed, border size, and many other things. When you're done but you want to remove your current wallpaper, tap on one of these sources, for example photo. Select the photo, adjust it, and tap at the top right corner. Then click Create. Tap on the theme that you created and choose Enable Wallpaper. Then tap on Set Wallpaper and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of the options. Now when I go back, I can see that my edges were successfully applied. But if you want to see them when you use apps, you can go back into the app, choose Home, scroll all the way down and tap on the switcher next to Enable Overlay Other App. Click Yes, click on the switcher again, go back, and sometimes you have to go back into the app, so I will do that right now. Click Home again and tap on the same switcher one more time. As you can see, now I can see my edges when I use apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!